So the water is freezing cold. I'm not gonna let that stop me from going to the other beach. So that was actually a lot more fun than I expected. This is a pretty scenic coastline here, so maybe I will So, hello everyone. I am headed to the beach. I'm decked out in tourist gear and beach stuff. So I have this, like, I guess it's a bad habit, but when I typically go to the beach, no matter where I'm at, I actually don't get into the ocean. I don't know if it's like I'm afraid of jellyfish, or maybe I just don't want to get wet and then have to dry off. But it's plenty warm here today, so maybe I'll just dry off by the sun. If that's the case, then I am looking forward to it. I did wake up as a tad bit under the weather. I'm not a big fan of not feeling the best, especially when you're traveling. So I have in fact arrived to the beach, and it's not the specific one that I was looking for. The one that was at the first day that I was here with all the sailboats, that's the beach that I'm actually looking for. I'm gonna stay right here for a second and take some photos because it's so scenic, and then from there I'm gonna take this walk to the other beach, which is down that way. So I'm not sure if I mentioned already, but I usually don't plan these days. I don't plan the videos, I don't plan the content, I don't plan the title or what's gonna happen at all. I literally just pull up Google Maps, I check out and see where's a place reasonably nearby that I haven't been yet, and I'll just get in an Uber or a taxi and I'll go there and I'll just see what I find. I'll film, I'll keep the camera rolling, just pick up as many clips as I can, and usually I get back to the hotel and I have enough stuff, I kind of scan over it and I could tell, like, okay, I'll put this together, this seems, I have a lot of this, so let me call the video this. So a lot of it's not planned. I really like that. It helps make it all really fun, I just keep the camera rolling, I get back home, and usually come out with a video that I'm excited to make. So I think this is a good spot to sign off. I didn't really do much but take pictures and kind of put my feet in the water. So I do see a whole bunch of new viewers. Very happy to have you all. If you have any comments, suggestions, make sure to share with me, because I have a very simple goal, which is just to share what I see here. So if you want to see something in particular, or if I can improve somehow, just let me know. I'm very open to that kind of feedback.